Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this lovely scarf. It's a long scarf and I use a square, actually 14 squares for this scarf, and I'm gonna share the squares tutorial here. You will watch it first and make your squares, then we are gonna join them and make this part. It's so simple, and I use wool 4.5 millimeter hook. You can use any yarn and any recommended hook with this yarn, and that's the category 3 or 4. I think it's a thicker 3 yarn. Hope you like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. For this scarf, you will need 14 squares, or you can make less too. It's up to you. And now we will join the squares together while we are making our last row. Join from any corner. Chain 3. Put 2 more double crochets here. Into the next space, put 3 double crochets. Now I'm hiding the tail as I showed you in the video, in the squares video. Into the next space, make 3 more. Put 3 double crochets into each space. See you in the corner. For the corner, you will make 3 double crochets, 1 chain, our squares front sides looking to us. Okay, just leave this loop, insert into this corner, grab the yarn, pull it. Into this corner we are gonna make 3 double crochets, but we will join each of them. Make 1, leave the loop, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, pull it. Don't make any chains here. Yarn over, insert same place, make a double, leave the loop, insert next stitch, pull it, and make 1 more. Now insert into this first space, put 3 double crochets here and join each of them. 1, 2, 3. Into the next, make 3. Repeat this for 1, 2, 3 more times. See you at the corner. When you reach to the corner, you are gonna make 3 double crochets and join them. Once you complete this joining, chain 2. If you want, you can make a slip stitch here, then chain 2, but I don't prefer this. That looks good too. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Into the next 3 double crochets. You're gonna make the rest. You can make it. Just make your 3 double crochets, last 3 double crochets into the corner and make 3 chains, join, and attach all the squares together with this way. When you complete this, you're gonna attach the next, attach all 14 squares, then we're gonna make the rest. Once you complete all the joining, we're gonna make the border, join from the corner, chain 4. For the border, I'm gonna use extended double crochet. Yarn over only one time, insert same place, grab the yarn over, pull through only one loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. I like to make this double crochets a little longer than the usual. 1, 2, 3. Insert into this next space. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 extended double crochet. Into the next, make 3 more. And keep repeating this till you reach here. For here, I'm gonna make 3 extended double crochet. You can make them a little looser than the other ones, or you can make trebles here. Yarn over, insert into this next, make 3 more. Into the next, make 3. And keep repeating this. Into the corners, you're gonna make 3 extended double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 more. Just turn around. See you here. I complete this row. Now we are gonna work the same pattern, a granny pattern, but we are gonna use only one side. This side. Chain 4 and 2 more extended double crochet. Into the next, make 3. Into the next, make 3 again. And repeat this till the end. You can put 3 double crochets into each space between these 3. See you at the end of this side. Here, just stop here. I'm at the end, and into this corner I'm gonna put 3 extended double crochet. Then make a chain, cut your yarn. Now we are gonna start from the beginning, where we start from here. Always work from the front side. Attach your yarn to this third chain, then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip these 2 double crochets. Into here, this space, make 3 extended double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next, make 3. And you're gonna repeat this for all the side. See you at the end. I made my last 3. Then into this last stitch, I'm gonna make 1 more extended double crochet. If you want, you can make a chain here. For the next row, we are gonna start from this space and make 4 chains. Then make 2 more extended double crochet here. Into this next space, make 3 extended double crochet. Actually, I'm repeating this row. When I complete this one, I'm gonna repeat this one. You can repeat this as long as you want. If you want, you can make here longer and make a bigger rectangle kind of a shawl. But I'm gonna make a scarf, so I'm gonna repeat this one more time and then make this row. Then I'll see you. For this side, I made totally, if you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Now that's the last row. I'm gonna start from here. I have only a little yarn left. I hope I can finish this. I'm gonna start from here. For the corners, this time we are gonna make 3 single crochets. Just attach the yarn, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. One, 2, 3. And now for the stitch, we are gonna put 1 single crochet. Just put 1 single crochet into each stitch. I'll see you here. Now for here, I'm gonna put 2 single crochets into this corner space. And you see I have a double crochet here. Around this side double crochet, I'm gonna put 1, 2 single crochets. Around these chains, I'm gonna put 1, 2, around this double crochet, 1, 2, and we can count this as a corner. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3 here, then put 1 single crochet into each stitch. When you reach this side here, you are gonna make 3 here. If it looks less, so you can make 4 here. put 2, 2, 2 and 2, then put 1 single crochet into each stitch, then turn around. I'll see you at the end. My yarn doesn't enough for here, and I use a similar yarn. I cannot wait maybe 1 week for a yarn, so in the end I made my last single crochet into last stitch. I'm gonna lose this loop and close here nicely. Insert from this first stitch and insert between these 2 strands this chain. Then hide the tail. And that's all. Hope you like it. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there, and it's also my website, regularly Etsy, Pinterest and Facebook address too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.